Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing on 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Brushed aluminum running boards. A black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Come around back, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one comes with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, black anthracite poplar wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls. Also comes with smartphone integration, which gives you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Heated and cooled cup holders. Touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE 350 has 30,491 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.